Hey guys, this is Ricky. I now have a YouTube channel called Green Boston Help Desk. It's basically, this YouTube channel is basically about helping you how to, be one of YouTube. And I really think you could, need lots of help. So, if you are interested, which you probably are, please, don't be afraid to subscribe right now, because in these videos that I will have for you in the nearest coming days ahead to come, you'll get some tricks, some helpful tricks of how to, maybe how to consistently make your YouTube videos and stuff. So if you want that, just subscribe here, because there are going to be interesting videos to come. And if you already have, then surprise, surprise. So please do that today, and watch my previous videos as they come. Okay? Because it's time for you to start being a YouTuber now. I mean, I have a gaming channel and I'm slacking a little bit, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. And I know some people who have a YouTube channel but has not made a promise to keep making their videos, so they have to put it off for I don't know how long, 6 months. So don't be that person. Just subscribe here and get your videos. Get those videos to watch, and you'll be a success someday.